Monday on the final week of Degrassi, The Boiling Point. Don't miss a moment.
Why is Bianca sending you sexy photos?
Of what pushes.
You're out, man.
I didn't know what was going online.
The entire school.
Adam, what are you doing?
I'm not a girl!
To the boiling point.
What girlfriend doesn't know won't hurt her?
Tease.
Don't touch me. Hasn't you heard? I'm crazy!
You're making a huge mistake. You're dead!
What did you do?
I trust you two. Don't do anything to change that.
Next week on Degrassi, after giving you over a month of drama,
I'm crazy!
Degrassi still hasn't prepared you for this.
You'd pay $50 to hook up with me.
The 6-week summer event comes to a close,
Holy crap.
leading up to the unforgettable season finale.
From this moment on, the school is in lockdown.
Don't miss the final all-new episodes of the season. Next week, Monday to Thursday at 9, only on Much Music.
You won't recognize the school at all.
Before things totally boil over.
What girlfriend doesn't know won't hurt her?
I'm sorry I led you on.
Wow.
You guys would pay big money to hook up with a girl like you.
How much?
Hey, freak! Now someone's gonna get hurt. You're dead!
There will be consequences.
Do you even hear yourself?
What did you do?
From this moment on, the school is in lockdown.
Degrassi, The Boiling Point continues Monday at 9, only on Team Nick.